Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's very exciting, I have a Scarlet In Chains unboxing. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do, it's greatly appreciated. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, Scarlet In Chains. Scarlet In Chains. I love Scarlet In Chains. If you don't know who Scarlet In Chains are, where have you been? We've featured them quite a few times on the channel. But Drew and Sophie run the amazing business Scarlet In Chains. I met them at London Edge a couple of years ago. I miss London Edge so much. So much. Hopefully, fingers crossed for February. Fingers crossed for February. They make amazing, bespoke, handmade stainless steel jewellery. It is suitable for BDSM if that is what you are into, but if you just want some kick-ass jewellery, they are here to meet all your needs. What they do is so completely unique. Apparently they had to manufacture their own tools because nobody made the tools to make this kind of jewellery, which just goes to show how utterly unique what they do is. It's beautiful quality, amazing designs, everything's just fabulous. I've absolutely loved supporting them as a company. They're also amazingly sweet, lovely people as well. You know how I feel about a small business on this channel. We love small businesses. They are in the UK, I think they ship worldwide. They're just a flipping fantastic company, and they messaged me and said that they have a new collection coming out and they would like to send me some stuff, which was so exciting. So they showed me a little picture of what I will be getting. I tried really hard not to look too much because I kind of wanted it to be a surprise, but I did message them and say, you know, thank you. You know, I always feel a bit guilty getting things from these small companies, and so I was like, do you have any matching earrings to go with it? I would like to get some earrings. And Sophie and Drew, I mean, this is their commitment to what they do. They had to go away and ask a piercer whether the charms that they had created were suitable to go on earrings. They came back to me a little while later and said that they had been given the go-ahead, and so I have a pair of earrings in here as well, which is very exciting. I mean, that shows their commitment to their customer, that they went and consulted with a piercer. I mean, just shows what a fantastic company they are. Before I open the package, I'll give you a little bit of spiel. So this is the first full release for the Scarlet's Satanic Panic range. That is one of the ranges on their website. They have their classic range, and then they have Satanic Panic. There are 13 items in this release. 7 of them are limited edition and 6 of them are permanent. The release is called Fehu, which is spelled F-E-H-U, I will put it up there, and it means new beginnings. It has been made in collaboration with a UK-based metalwork company who laser cut and laser etched the charms. The charms are all 316 stainless steel. They are allergy friendly and so can be worn in water. They won't tarnish, and they're very hard wearing. I can guarantee I've never had any problems with any of my Scarlet In Chains jewellery. There have been other items that I've bought over the years that I've come up with horrendous allergic reactions to. I've never had a problem with Scarlet In Chains. If I know I'm starting to flare up with something that I thought was okay, then I always go back to my Scarlet In Chains. They're just beautifully made. The charms are hand finished by us and smoothed and polished to avoid any sharp edges. The design work on them was all done by Sophie and Drew, as well as the writing. Sophie drew all the cards, which we'll see in a minute. So the new beginnings, what we'll do is, because I think this is pertinent to my piece, so I'll read you the rest in a minute. What I will do is I will put everything that Sophie sent me, all the information, down in the description box, because it was one long email. It's 2 pages long. So to be honest, I will probably bore you a bit if I go all into it, but it tells you a lot about the different runes that they have and stuff. So I'm going to open this. I deliberately didn't even open it for you. So ready? Let's get this open. We're in. Let's see what we have in here. Oh. So we first of all have the Scarlet In Chains business card. I will, of course, put all their information down in the description box, as I always do. Oh, we've got the envelope first. Ooh, it says beginnings. We are, along with many of us, treading down a new path, a new beginnings. A new beginnings Bine Rune can help you along the way. Elder Firthark runes that we use in essence are simply a very, very old method of communicating. Think of it like an alphabet. Runes are also used as magical symbols for a variety of purposes and are often drawn linked together as a Bine Rune, so combining the magical symbolism into a single element. For our rune, New Beginnings, we used the following runes. Fehu, New Beginnings and Success. Soilo, Guidance, Hope and Success. Ingwaz, Internal Growth, and Dagaz, Awakening, Hope and Happiness. I probably absolutely butchered the pronunciation of all of those, I do apologise. Within the bind runes you will also see other runes that are created when binding. Ooh, and this is I have got number 59 of 60. I think that's a prime number. I did ask Sophie because she said, do you have any specific numbers that are very important to you? And I was like, not really, but I do like a prime number. So it's the maths geek in me. So what have we got here? What have we got here? I'm so excited. Right. So this is from the new collection. They asked me what length chain I wanted it on, and I said, oh wow, I wanted it on really long chain because you know me, I like my really long chains. That is absolutely beautiful. So look, that is the rune. Look at it. That's so cool. And then on the back, I just noticed, it's etched with the number 59 right in the middle there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in. It's so cool. It's on their beautiful stainless steel chain and the clasp. I like these. You can have things on padlocks if you want, but that's too heavy for me. It's not my aesthetic. Right, I'm going to slightly zoom out. You're not going to be able to see this. There we go. Let's take this one off and let's put this beauty on. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that's going to look amazing on so many different plain black tops as well. It's just absolutely fabulous. And then I asked if they could put them on some earrings, which they did. Let's get them out of the packaging because the light's just bouncing off the packaging. I absolutely love Scarlet In Chains. I have quite the collection. Not as much of a collection as the wonderful Morrigan Raven, who I think that woman probably owns more Scarlet In Chains than Drew and Sophie do. She has got an amazing collection of Scarlet In Chains and she has just started a YouTube channel. So I will put a link up to her most recent video up here and I will put her channel at the end of the video. Make sure you go and check her out. Make sure you go and subscribe to her. She's fantastic. She's been doing videos on Facebook for quite a while now and she's decided to take the leap to YouTube. So go check her out, subscribe to her channel. You will not be disappointed. She has got quite, I mean, there's going to be so many Scarlet In Chains videos on there because she has got quite the collection of Scarlet In Chains jewellery because that girl knows how to rock an accessory. Do you know what? She's just got amazing style. Just go check her out. Absolutely awesome. Love Morrigan Raven. Right. Oh yeah, no, these are fine. Oh, I've got much heavier rings than this. Oh, look how cool they are. Oh, that's awesome. Absolutely epic. Put these on too. I have to admit, I selected this outfit and I'm kind of wishing I'd picked something plainer. Show off the necklaces more. But I know exactly which top these are going to look absolutely flipping amazing. Oh, I've got a couple in mind actually. Especially now it's going into autumn, I'll get to wear them all a bit more. Oh, look at those. Look at those. Oh, I see a little photo shoot coming on. Oh, these are absolutely fantastic. And as always, look, amazing stainless steel earrings. I love their earrings. All their earrings are amazing quality as well. It's really interesting to see some of the other people have posted what they got. It's really interesting to see what different things different people got. And they know I love a geometric. So, oh, that's really, really cool. Really, really pleased with this. So, there is also a discount code. It's always down in the description box, but I will make sure it's near the top of the description box for this one. So that is Heavy Metal Momma 10. That will get you a 10% discount at Scarlet In Chains. I highly recommend you go and check them out because this new collection, there's just so many beautiful pieces that I've seen. I mean, as you can see, just scrolling through their website, there's Baphomets, there's cats, there's moths, there's, oh look, a Baphomet double layer, oh, and a saber cat double layer as well. Oh, I really like all these different double layer ones. We've got a moon necklace, we've got various different versions of moon necklaces, all moons and pentagrams. Oh, this is just such a cool new collection. I must admit though, I definitely got the thing I like the most anyway, with just looking at their website, so I'm really, really chuffed. So, yep, definitely, if I'd have seen the whole collection and had to have picked, I would have picked this stuff anyway. Thank you, Drew and Sophie. Thank you for asking me to showcase these amazing pieces. I absolutely love them. I love supporting small businesses. As you know, I am so pleased with my completely unique earrings. Nobody else has got these earrings, they're just for me, so I am really chuffed with that. Please, as you can see from the website, everything is amazing. Go check out the new collection. Go check out some of the older stuff as well. I mean, everything that they do is amazing. It's not older stuff, it's just classic. Definitely love everything. I will be a lifelong customer. A few other things to say about Scarlet In Chains. They have a lifetime guarantee on all their jewellery. So if you suddenly lose loads of weight, you suddenly put loads of weight on, whatever happens, something happens and you need to have your jewellery resized, they will resize it for you for free. All you have to do is pay the postage to get it returned to you, and they will resize everything for you, which, I mean, no one else does that. Nobody else does that. Talk about lifetime guarantee for your jewellery. It really shows how committed they are to slow fashion. The quality of everything is absolutely fabulous. Cannot recommend them highly enough. Go check out this new collection, the Fehu Collection from Scarlet In Chains, Scarlet's Satanic Panic. Let me know what you think. Let me know from the collection that you've seen on the website, what is your favourite item. I think these are my favourite items, but I'd love to hear what you think. I think the cat's going to be very popular. I know that Momma Goth got one of the Baphomets because she is obsessed with Baphomets, so I'm sure she is absolutely thrilled with hers. Remember to like this video, comment down below, let me know anything you have to say, what things you've bought from Scarlet In Chains. I love it when you guys tag me in your pictures of you wearing stuff. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload. Go check out Maxie's channel, subscribe to her, subscribe. And remember people, stay heavy.